Hi, Brian here with GoEngineer. Today we're going to take a look at a new feature inside of SOLIDWORKS 2018 called online licensing. Online licensing allows for SOLIDWORKS standalone licenses to be tied to a user login. This login allows users to move from computer to computer, carrying their licenses with them without needing to activate or deactivate the licenses manually. So let's go ahead and walk through the steps it takes to convert your standalone licenses to online licensing. First, we need to go to the my.solidworks.com website. Here in the top right corner, we'll click Login. If you haven't created a My SOLIDWORKS login yet, at the end of this video, we'll link to another video that walks you through the steps to create your My SOLIDWORKS account. The username and password that you need to enter here is the same as your SOLIDWORKS customer portal. Once you've entered that, hit Login. Now that we're logged into the My SOLIDWORKS website, under your account, you'll see there's an admin portal option. Go ahead and click on the admin portal option. You'll be presented with a list of all the named users that are tied to your account. I'm going to go ahead and search for my account by using my last name. I can see with my account the email address that it's tied to, as well as how many assets I have assigned to me. Right now I have 7. I'll go ahead and click on my name to access my account. There's 2 columns for assigned, which means they've been assigned to me, and activated, which means I've activated them on a machine. Let's go ahead and take a look at my CAM Professional license. Right now we can see that this license has been selected as machine activation, meaning it's been activated on this computer itself. Right now, I'm unable to change this to an online license because it's still active right now. I must first go into SOLIDWORKS and deactivate the license before I can convert it to an online license. So let's go ahead and do that. Inside of SOLIDWORKS, go to the Help menu and then select Deactivate Licenses. Here, we can see my SOLIDWORKS CAM license. I'll hit Select All and then hit Next. Right now my machine is telling the SOLIDWORKS server that this license is no longer active on this machine. Now that we've deactivated the SOLIDWORKS CAM Professional license from my machine, I'm going to go back into the license. Now the admin portal will allow me to change this to an online license. What's happened is SOLIDWORKS has now tied the SOLIDWORKS CAM Professional license to my login. My login is the same as my SOLIDWORKS login, as well as my customer portal login. Now let's go back to SOLIDWORKS and see how do we log in. Inside of SOLIDWORKS 2018 in the top right corner, there's a new little login icon. If I click on this, it brings up a dialog box asking for my login information. Again, this is the same as my SOLIDWORKS as well as my customer portal account. I will go ahead and type in that information and select Login. Once the icon is turned blue, it knows that I'm logged in, and now any online licenses that I had tied to my account are now available to me. At any time, we can go back and change these licenses back to machine activation. Remember, the limitations of the online licensing require you to have a consistent, good internet connection in order to use this. If the location that you're going to be moving to does not have reliable internet connection, machine activation is probably a better option for what you're doing. So that's all the steps you need to take to convert your current machine activation licenses to online licenses for SOLIDWORKS 2018. If you need to create a My SOLIDWORKS account, click the video right up here and we'll walk you through the steps it takes to create your account. This has been Brian with GoEngineer. Thanks for watching.